starts not with wood, but with cotton. US dollars are actually fabric. "75% cotton and 25% linen are the secret ingredients."
The fibers are cooked into a thick, durable pulp. Tiny red and blue synthetic fibers are added for security. The pulp is pressed into a continuous sheet of paper.
The watermark is pressed into the wet paper, not printed.
A thin plastic security strip is woven inside the paper.
Giant rollers dry and press the paper to perfection.
The paper is wound into rolls, weighing 4 tons each.
This high-security paper is shipped to the printing plant.
Arriving at the heavily guarded printing facility.
Checks complete. You are clear to proceed.
Every inch of paper is accounted for. Inspectors check the watermark and thread alignment.
Master engravers carve the intricate designs by hand.
Digital technology aids the traditional art. Lasers transfer the design onto the printing plates.
The ink recipe is a top secret.
The green ink is thick and heavy, like paste.
Black ink is used for the portraits and borders. Color-shifting ink is added to prevent counterfeiting. The ink is loaded into the high-speed presses.
The paper is fed into the simultan press.
printing begins with the background colors.
First, the subtle background colors are applied. The iconic green back is printed under 60 tons of pressure.
This pressure raises the ink, giving it a unique texture.
The sheets must cure before the other side is printed. Once dry, the front face is printed in black ink.
The portrait is the most detailed part of the bill.
Sheets of 32 notes fly out of the press.
Inspectors check for any ink smudges.
Computer eyes scan every single note for defects.
Defective sheets are marked for destruction.
The 100 number changes color when tilted.
The final step: serial numbers and seals.
Every bill gets a unique identifier.
And the Federal Reserve Bank seal.
The printing is complete. Millions of dollars in one stack.
Now, they must be cut into individual bills.
The guillotine blade is razor sharp.
First cut creates horizontal strips. The final cut creates the individual banknotes.
Straps are applied to every 100 notes.
Ten bundles make a brick worth $100,000. Four bricks are packed together. Robots stack the cash on secure pallets. One pallet can hold up to $100 million. The money enters the high-security vault.
Billions of dollars waiting to be circulated.
Armored trucks arrive for pickup. Security is at its highest level.
The money begins its journey to the banks.
Sealed and secure. Heading out to fuel the economy.
It takes incredible engineering to make paper worth so much.
Remember, counterfeiting is a serious crime. This is the real deal. If you enjoyed this money tour, smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA.